Hello, my dear friends. By now, you must be familiar with the different type of trigonometric functions, and now you can easily make the table of different angle of trigonometric ratios, and you also might remember all the values of 0 degree and 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees for all the trigonometric ratios. So, let's move further and let's understand about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So that you must understand the meaning of complementary angles. So, the definition of complementary angle says that two angles are complementary to each other if their sum is equal to 90 degree. So, we'll understand the complementary angles are. Now consider the right angle triangle. Consider the right angle triangle. Can you find the complementary angle of this triangle? Look here. Angle B is 90 degree. So, sum of remaining two angles, that is angle A and angle C, out to 90 degree or not. So, we can say angle A and angle C are complementary angles, which means that their sum will be equal to 90 degree or not. So, angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. Yes or no? We can also write C is equal to 90 degree minus A. Yes or no? Okay. Suppose we are considering angle A. Which side is opposite? Which side is adjacent? And which side is opposite? Can you tell? Suppose I consider angle A. Which side is opposite? This one, no? BC is the opposite side. Yes or no? And angle AB is adjacent side. And AC is hypotenuse. Yes or no? Okay. So, now write down the all trigonometric ratios for angle A. See here. These are the trigonometric ratios of angle A. You know, no? Sine A is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. BC by AC. Similarly, cos A is AB by BC. AB means adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan A is opposite by adjacent. Okay, opposite means BC, adjacent means AB. Okay, cot A is AB by BC. Cot A formula is adjacent by opposite. Yes or no? Adjacent is AB, opposite is BC. So, next is sec. Sec A is hypotenuse by adjacent. Yes. Hypotenuse is AC and adjacent is AB. And sec A is hypotenuse by opposite. Yes. Hypotenuse is AC and adjacent, this opposite is BC. Okay. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios of angle A. Now, focus on angle C. Okay. Suppose we took angle A. Which side is opposite to the angle A and which side is hypotenuse and which side is opposite and which side is adjacent? Tell me. Yes. This C opposite is AB and This is opposite of angle C, and this is adjacent of angle C, and hypotenuse is same. Yes or no? Now we can take C is 90 degree minus A instead of taking angle C. Okay, sin 90 minus A instead of taking C, sin 90 minus A is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse means AB by AC, and cos 90 minus A is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse means BC by AC. Tan 90 minus A is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AB and adjacent is BC, and tan 90 minus A is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is BC and opposite is AB. Right. Next is sec 90 minus A. Sec 90 minus A is hypotenuse by adjacent. Yes or no? That is AC divided by BC. Cosec 90 minus A is hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is AC, opposite is AB. Okay. Understood? So, we have taken all trigonometric ratios. Yes or no? Now, if we compare sin A and cos 90 minus A, is this same? See here. Sin A is BC by AC. Cos 90 minus A is BC by AC. Yes or no? Can you find these two? And these two are equal? Yes. Sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A. Yes or no? See here. Sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A. You can find some relationship between diagonals of these two angles, these two tables. Okay. Similarly, cos A is equal to sin 90 minus A. Yes. AB by AC. Here also AB by AC. Similarly, tan A is equal to cot A. Cot 90 minus A. Because BC is divided by AB is equal to BC divided by AB. So, we can say tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. Similarly, cot A is equal to tan 90 minus A. Yes or no? See here. These are also equal, which are cos A is equal to cosec 90 minus A, because AC divided by AB here also, and here also AC divided by AB. So we can say cos A is equal to cosec 90 minus A. Similarly, cosec A is equal to sec 90 minus A. See here. AC divided by BC, AC divided by BC. These two tables, we can say that every 90 minus A angle are complementary triangles. Yes or no? Complementary ratios. Yes or no? These closely we can say sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A, cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A, tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A, cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A, cosec 90 minus A is equal to cosec A, cosec 90 minus A is equal to sec A.